Hi, my name is John Hugg, and today I'm going to do a quick run-through of the download process for VoltDB. Before we start, VoltDB requires the Java JDK 1.8, which is not installed by default on many machines. If you need to install it, use a package manager or Google for JDK and follow the instructions. I've opened the VoltDB homepage. To download, I'm going to click this red download button in the corner. That button is on most VoltDB web pages, so it's easy to find. I'm going to scroll down to the point where I fill in this form here. And I'm going to click the Submit button. It takes me to this thank you page. I'm essentially waiting for an email with a link to download VoltDB, but I can browse the release notes while I wait. I've opened my email, and here's the email from Volt. It comes with this nice download it link that will take me back to the VoltDB web page, specifically the download page for Volt. This one link here, Enterprise Edition for Linux or Mac, is the same kit that I want for either Linux or Mac. It's a 30-day trial. I'll start downloading that. While I'm waiting for it to download, I can read about how to get started with Volt. I can read about examples, tutorial, documentation, even how to run in the cloud. Okay, my kit is downloaded. I can double-click it to expand it here, and I can take a little tour. The bin folder has the scripts that start VoltDB, including the important VoltDB script. The examples folder has some examples, so I can get started learning how to build Volt apps. And all the documentation from docs.voltdb.com is in the doc folder. To run, I can cd downloads VoltDB. I can type bin VoltDB create to make an empty database, and it will start VoltDB. It's going to take a little while to initialize all the on-disk persistence, and it's going to warn me that since I'm on a laptop, this isn't a redundant cluster. Okay, there it is. So I can now go back here if I want, and to show that it's running, I can type localhost 8080, and that will bring up the Volt Management Console, where I can see statistics about the server, not particularly interesting because I don't have an application. I can see how it's configured and change some of the administration. I can view the schema. Again, there's not much loaded. And I can run SQL queries. That's it for now. In the next video, we'll actually run a Volt application.